hair weaves. If you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads. I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. It's cold. I got the little Leatherman jacket from Ross. I think it was $15 or something like that. Black t-shirt, leather pants, Jordans, and my Jesus Peace hat. What's up, my low riders? I am headed to Cosmoprof, and if they don't have what I want, I'm gonna go to Sally's, and I go to this other beauty supply. I'm looking for some hair color called Glaze. I'm gonna dye some bundles that are supposed to be 613, but they're not 613 because they have too much gold in them. So with that being said, I'm on my way to the beauty supply to get some color to dye these bundles. See you at the beauty supply. Okay, my low riders, I just got back from Cosmoprof. I was supposed to go wash my car, but I didn't. Child, why did I have a jacket, a shirt, and some pants with leather in the front and cloth on the side? And it was hot as heck out there. Like, it was 79 degrees because my car's 79 degrees. Let me show you guys what I got from Cosmoprof. I got the Mizani curls, coils, and waves. Curls, coils, and waves. Let me take all the stuff out the bag first. Me digging in. Now it's bad. Okay, same thing. Mizani curls, coils, and wave shampoo, and then the same thing, the conditioner. And then I got this Color Fresh Max. The color is Caramel Glaze. I got these little wax strips and some bobby pins because I sure did need them. Let me put these things right here. So let me show you what I'm gonna do with that color. Okay, I watched this just to see what the curl pattern was gonna be, and it's pretty decent hair. It's from His and Hair Company. Actually, it's good hair from His and Her Hair Company, and it's the French Refined, and it's supposed to be, it says color number 24. When they milk, this is color number 24. If they said it was 613, this is not 613 at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that color on one of these bundles because I have 4 of them. I'm going to use it on this one that I already washed to see if it'll make it caramel. I don't know. Because it's kind of caramelish, but not caramel. But we shall see. Let me put this color on here. What's up, my lords? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'll be coloring some 613 hair with the Wella semi-permanent color, and it's called Caramel Glaze. I was originally looking for a color, the brand Glaze, to do the color because a lot of videos has been coming up with them, but I couldn't find the color at the beauty supply, at any beauty supply that I went to, and it would have took too long for it to come from Amazon. So I decided to use the Wella product on it, and hoping and praying that it'll come out good. Originally, when I put the color on there, I'm like, oh shoot, this is kind of dark. This is kind of dark. And then I started seeing some blonde pieces through the dark. I'm like, okay, I wouldn't even be mad if it had some little blonde highlights in it, you know. So I was like, okay, let me put this on here, brush it through, so you see the blonde peeking through? I was like, okay, for the blonde highlights, you know, that's cool. So then I turned it over and did the other side. And you guys, I'm the messiest when I'm doing hair color. I get it all over myself, just everywhere. And it didn't change today. I did it again today. So yeah, that tube of color was enough for the one weft that I did. So I'm gonna let that color sit on for about 45 minutes, And then I'm going to come back and see how it's looking. See, I got color all on my little white on white. Okay, that's crazy. So yeah, sit back and watch me work. You guys, I think this color is going to come out caramel like I wanted to. Wow, I'm happy about that. I got it all on my little freaking counter, but I have some stuff that I get it off. Sure do. Okay, I was supposed to be using the Glaze color, but I couldn't find the Glaze anywhere, and I wanted to do this video today. And so I used the Wella. I was like, okay, Wella. No. I used the Wella Color Fresh Mask, and the color is Caramel Glaze. So I'm gonna let this sit on for about, that's right here. Focus, focus, focus. And my hand is moving, so they're gonna focus. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit on for about, probably for about, come on camera. I'll let it sit on probably for about an hour and clean my counter off before this stuff stains. But anyway, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am so pleased with the color, you guys. It came out the caramel color that I wanted, and I just love it, love it, love it. And if you hear something in the background, that's my grandbaby. You know, she in here, and she trying to act up. She's 3 months. But yeah, that's before, and this is after. And the hair is French refined hair, and I got that hair from His and Her Hair Goods in Los Angeles, California. And it looks really straight, but once you wet it and everything, it's actually body wave. You guys, the color came out so good, and I really, really love it. I was just putting some Chi Reconstructing Conditioner on it, and I'm going to let that sit on it for about like 20-30 minutes. And then I will come back and let you guys see how it feels and looks. Okay, guys, I decided to use this extension holder to hold the extensions while I dry it. And it works actually perfect. But the surface that it's on right now, it wasn't, it's the surface that wasn't making it work. So what I'm gonna do is switch that over and put it onto a doll head. But before I do that, I put some Chi Silk Infusion on it before I blow dried it, because when you do that, it makes the hair come out shiny, super shiny and soft. The hair feels wonderful, it looks wonderful. So with that being said, keep watching while I switch it up to a doll head, you guys. My low riders, let me tell you, the shine on this hair was amazing. The color on the hair was amazing. And remember when I was telling you guys about the little highlights that might be popping through? They popping through. Okay guys, I have already told you guys how good the hair feels. Now I'm just going to go through with the flat iron. I did it with the blow dryer and there was no shedding. I'm going to go through with the flat iron to see how this hair holds up, you know, with heat. And I have my flat iron set on the highest temperature. You see that shine, you guys? This hair, it feels amazing. And I don't see any shedding. At this point, I don't see any. Hopefully there won't be, because this hair feels really good. I never have problems when I get hair from His and Her Hair Goods in Los Angeles. Never. Especially when I get the French refined hair. That's old school, you guys. The French refined is like body wave. You can wet it and it'll get wavy, a loose, pretty wave. Or you can flat iron and get straight. And when you wet it, it goes right back to that perfect wave pattern. You don't hear too many people saying, oh, French refined hair. They say wet and wavy, body wave, all this other stuff. But French refined, if you can find a company that still sells French refined hair, you're doing good. French refined hair is really good. So yeah, look at that. Look at how this hair is taking this flat iron. Look at the color. And I'm loving the dimension of the blondes that are still in there. That's the original color before I colored it. Man, what am I going to do with this hair? Am I going to make a wig? Am I going to wear a weave? And I was also thinking, I can go in and make the roots darker. Because that blonde on my skin color, just on the right, it looks better when I have like the roots a little bit darker and then the light color. It's not going to be black. It'll be like a darker color, like probably chestnut or something like that. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love this hair. I love this hair. Look at that. What y'all think? Do you guys like the color? If you guys can just feel it, you'll be like amazed. And I don't get excited about too much, but I do get excited about hair. And I said, let me put some curls on this one side, put more heat on it to see exactly, you know, how it's gonna react. Again, I didn't get any shedding. And I was curling the hair with at first with the Tymo, and then I went in and just did it with the flat iron. But I was just basically curling it to see if it would have any shedding. Now, because I flat ironed the hair bone straight, the hair didn't want to curl. Had I just flat ironed it, had I just put the curls in it, then it would be cool. But the curls look okay. They do look okay. And again, I did this for the simple reason of seeing after I flat ironed it and then after I flat ironed it and then I put some curls in it, would there be some shedding? You guys, look at that hair. Look how shiny it is. Look how shiny it is. You can't beat that with a bat. And while I'm looking at it, I said I should have just left it straight. So I go in to straighten it out. But then it got straight, but it still had a little bit of curl in it. But I was just doing that for the purpose of demonstrating the shedding amount of the hair and how the hair held up to heat. It was like a double process heat, flat ironing and then curling. And it held up really, really well, you guys. So I do recommend 10 out of 10 for the Wella Caramel Glaze color. Semi-permanent caramel glaze, and I got that from Cosmoprof, you guys. So yeah, I am just so pleased. And then it's not even as shiny as it could be, because usually I put the chi, like I do, I put the chi on before I blow dry it, and it gives it a soft, smooth feel. And then after I finish doing the hair, I'll put a little bit more chi on it. Just takes very, look at that hair, y'all. Very, very little. Watch the shine. Look at that. It looks like glass. And one thing I don't like is when hair is lightened, sometimes it doesn't give that shine. Even natural hair that's like a sandy brown, it doesn't give a shine sometimes because of the color. But this right here, it's shining, you guys. And the hair feels wonderful. So wonderful. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, here's what I used to color the hair. I used the Wella And the color is Caramel Glaze to color the hair. And I left the color on for about 45 minutes. And then I shampooed it with the Chi, with the Chi Reconstructive shampoo. And then I used the Chi Reconstructive conditioner. And then before I blow dried it, I put the Chi Silk Infusion on it. And then after I styled it, I put the Chi Silk Infusion on it. So this is everything that I used to get the color of this hair that it is. Again, let me show you what color it was before. This is before. And this is her face after. The camera, because the lighting is making it look red, but it's not really red, it's like a caramel color. So yeah, that's that, you guys. Okay, my low riders, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And also so you can become an official low rider. Okay, and also follow me on my other platforms, my YouTube, my Instagram. Follow me.